Hello everyone and welcome to Unacademy classes. My name is Abhishek Mishra and I am teaching you manufacturing. But in today's class we will be discussing about things that you should be doing first or the things that you should take care to do first while you are doing GATE preparation. For example, if you are preparing for GATE 2021 and this class is mainly for that preparation tips and tricks. So you should do these things first, or you should be giving these things priority while you are preparing. I will be taking this class in English and it will be a quite very simple English, so you should follow me or you can follow me very easily. Now before starting this class, we will just quickly go through my introduction and Unacademy's subscription program discussions. Okay, so first of all, about me, I have secured all India rank of 662 in GATE 2020. I've completed my MTech in 2019 from IIT BHU Varanasi, and I have good teaching experience of 2 years in mechanical engineering subjects. My interests are listed in the screen: photo editing, video editing, cricket, football, and all sorts of games. So first of all, just go to your respective app store and download this app. This Unacademy's learning app is absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay a single penny to download this app. So just go and download this app and check out for yourself how this app can help you in your GATE preparation or in any of the competitive exams preparation. So this app, as you can see, it is very carefully designed. It has all the upcoming classes, recorded classes, that is archive classes, test series, upcoming test series, structured courses, analysis of your performance, and all this you can find in this single app itself. So it is very much beneficial if you are preparing for GATE, or just go and download this app as it is free and check out for yourself, and believe me, it will help you. And as you know, if you are getting help from anywhere, or if you are getting benefit from anywhere for your GATE preparation or for any other exam preparation, you should just use it and make the most out of your preparation. Now, Unacademy subscription plan, first of all, what it is, just like you have to pay a fee to your college school to receive education, to receive their services, here Unacademy subscription platform is just like that. You have to pay a fee just like your any traditional tuition or coaching class, and they will provide you all the online learnings, all the content, all the test series, and all this. And the benefit of Unacademy is listed in the screen, and you can see the benefits are daily live classes, live tests and quizzes, structured courses, unlimited access. So as Unacademy subscription plan offers one of the best learning structures or learning programs you will find anywhere on the internet. Okay, so live classes will be held daily, and their educators will interact you in a best possible way by giving you live polls, live questions during your classes, and they will be providing you they will be discussing with you during the class, interacting with you during the class. So this will create an environment which will be very traditional, feel like classroom like, where you are just feeling like that you are sitting in a classroom and attending the class because of the interaction involved here. And there is test series also, and the test series by Unacademy is very carefully and planned and designed so that you get the most out of your test series. And the courses that Unacademy offers for your preparation, they are in a structured manner. This will create a progressive and rhythm for your preparation that will benefit you. And unlimited access of content will be provided, means if you are subscribing today, then you will be getting all the content of the past, of the previously held. Therefore you are getting a lot of content. You have to just choose from and study from it. And there are top educators hired by Unacademy for you to study from, and these educators will give you certain tips and tricks, and they will teach you in a certain way so that you get the most out of your online preparation here at Unacademy, and you get to prepare in an effective and efficient way, such that your ultimate goal of scoring good marks is met. And multiple educators are there for a single subject, so you can select an educator you find more suitable for your learning, and just go through with him or her. And these are the subscription prices for Unacademy's subscription plan. Plus and Iconic are the two types of subscription plans available. Plus are available for those who need classroom type experience, where a lot of students are studying in a single class and the teacher is focusing on each and every student as possible. And as you can see, 12 months, 18 months and 24 months plan are the most value for money plan, as the discounts available there are very much more than the other plans as compared to. And if you will use this code ABHIMI, that is in written on the top left corner of your screen, you will get 10% off. And this is the discounted price after just putting the code and using the code. And as you can see, the prices, discounted prices, these prices are very affordable. Just look at them, they are very affordable, and they include test series also, which easily cost thousands of rupees. And they also include they also provide test series, give new test series regularly, and all the content. So this is easily value for your money. And also, if you are comparing with the traditional coaching classes, you are finding here that you are getting a lot in less. Okay, so just subscribe to Unacademy if you are preparing online, and if you are serious about your preparation, then this is the one of the best platforms you can assess and study from, and make the best out of your preparation. And use this code ABHIMI to get 10% off and save a lot. And 12, 18 and 24 months plan are the plan that you should be going with, because if you are preparing for GATE 2021, then you should be needing after preparation for your main GATE examination, you have to prepare for interviews and some other examination. Your 12 months plan, you can do that, achieve that in a more affordable manner, in a manner where you save a lot. So just go with one of the plans that you require, that you need according to your budget, and just subscribe and start your preparation. And one of the other plan is Iconic plan, and in this plan you are getting personal coaching, personal assistance. So this plan is for those who need that type of experience, and this is the price of the plan after applying the code ABHIMI to get 10% off. So use this code, get 10% off. And if you are wanting to subscribe to Plus, where you will study with along with the other students, and there you can just have a discussion with them also, see what they are up to, solve questions with them, compete with them to solve live questions. So Plus plan is one of the better plans, I think, that you should be going with. Or if you want Iconic plan, where personal coach and personalized test series are your requirement, you are finding that these plans will suit me, will make me more focused, then go with it. Both plans are very affordable, as you can see the prices, and use this code ABHIMI to get 10% off. Now our today's class topic is 8 first things you need to do for GATE 2021, or when you are preparing for GATE 2021. So we will start this class just in a second. So the first thing, the main objective of this class is to give you certain tips and certain discussion to have with you, so that your preparation should be more effective and efficient. You should not wander off too far from your main aim. So you have to just make sure what you are preparing in a best possible manner. And I am discussing all this. This video is mainly to guide you such that your mindset, to make your mindset to score more marks and to prepare in a efficient way. So now let's start our first point discussion. The first thing that you need to do first is download the official GATE syllabus and follow it. So GATE has a lot of content for you to study from, or you to study, not study from. So there are a lot of content you have to study, and you have to prepare, you have to remember. When you are going to give your GATE examination, you should be prepared thoroughly in each and every content of the GATE official syllabus. But due to the nature of the examination, or due to the nature of the mechanical engineering or some other engineering, you will find that there are a lot of things to study from, and the content never stops. Means you can easily wander off and study things other than your syllabus, and waste your time, and due to this you will ultimately make your whole preparation more cumbersome and more tiring. So make sure that you have downloaded the official GATE syllabus and you are following it. You are only reading the things that are there in the syllabus and that are there that are taught in your class. Don't try to learn things, don't try to just remember things that are not relevant for your GATE examination, that are just extra trivia things, or as if we see your GATE examination. So the best possible way to do this is download the official GATE syllabus and follow it, and you will find yourself you are preparing the things that are really important. You are not wandering off, you are not wasting your time. So to be effective and efficient, this is very important. And here is the official GATE syllabus for manufacturing, and as you can see, the topics here listed very clearly, and these topics you need to study only that. Inside the topics, what you have to study, you can just have for example, while studying from Unacademy, the teacher will easily guide you, easily discuss you different types of casting that are necessary, but these are the main topics that you have to study. If you are studying for example certain topic that is not listed here, then you will be finding yourself just wasting your time. So just visit the official website and download the updated syllabus and follow it. And the second thing you need to do, you need to primary focus on, is to make short notes. Okay, so make sure to prepare short notes while you are preparing, while you are studying, while you are revising, or after you have learned from your official notes, from your class notes, one or two times, or during the first time you are preparing, you can also make notes. But the main aim to make short notes is that there are a lot of subjects, for example strength of material, where it is not very much a good idea to go through all the original class notes again and again, because you will easily find you wasting a lot of time, because there are a lot of things for you to study from, but that things are only there to make you understand the concepts. They are not there to just learn again and again. So prepare short notes, especially for subjects such as manufacturing and SOM, which are very vast, and just prepare them in a manner that you get all the things necessary from the short notes itself. Use multiple color pens so that you highlight the important things in your short notes, and it is easily eye-catching when you are preparing them, and when you are just solving a question, you should get a visual of that eye-catching formulas. So this is just a tips that you need to make sure. Prepare short notes in a way that is very much helpful in your remembering of that formula, or remembering of or concept. Okay, now the third thing that you need to be doing mainly or first is focus on small details when solving questions and learning formulas. So when you are solving a question, you need to focus on small details, because these are the details that will be the things that are going to break or make your the question. Okay, for example, units. We can easily make mistakes while answering a question and if you have not seen what unit the question is asked in, or what unit that all the datas are given in, so you can easily make a mistake of using a wrong unit and getting a wrong answer. So you need to focus on small details like units, like what is asked, like for example g, acceleration due to gravity. In some questions g is given as 10 meter per second square, but the standard value is 9.81. So you need to focus on that, and you need to focus if the question is asked in 2 decimal point, 1 decimal point, and what range the question is asked in. And other small details are that you need to focus on are the assumptions that are given in question. For example, if it is given that you have to take over travel or approach in a machine tool, same, or you have to ignore it. And also you need to just analyze a question and make sure that you are just decoding the question. It is very important when you are preparing to decode each and every question, so that when time comes, that examiner gives you some changes, you need to just be prepared. And if you have decoded a question, if you have just broken down a question in a way that each and everything that is written in the question is easily just accessible to you, or easily understood by you, then you will find that your main objective to study that question is fulfilled, and you don't need to just do same question multiple times to get the main gist of the question. So the main thing, again, focus on small details while doing questions. You don't need to just blindly do questions, focus on the small things. Now the fourth thing that you need to focus is to make an habit to read questions properly and go through all options. So while I was preparing, I used to make mistakes that I just read the question in a hurry and just solve it, and at the end of the question I found my answers wrong sometimes, because in a hurry you can easily miss some details which are necessary. You can easily miss a important line. You can easily miss, for example, if it is asked that which of the following is not a disadvantage, okay, of the process, and you can easily miss the not, and you can easily write which of the following are disadvantage of the process. So the things like not and some units, all the things you can easily miss. So you have to make sure that you have a habit to read through questions properly, carefully, calmly, and therefore this is one of the things that you need to make sure to do first. And also go through all options. Sometimes first option seems right, but the options ahead, or options given B, C, D, some of these options are more right than the first option because of the completeness of that. So make sure go through all options and read questions properly, and this thing will save you a lot of time to just check your answers again and again. For example, when you are giving GATE examination, you are solving a question, and after solving a question one time, usually you have to just check the question, your answer or your process again, because of the errors that you can make. But if you are reading the questions properly and going through all options, then you will find that this step of checking the questions again will become trivial, okay, will be not that necessary because of your approach to the question, okay. Now the fifth thing that you need to do first is to get previous year full question paper and solve them. So in the official GATE website, you can get previous year full question paper and just download them. For example, you should at least download 2016 onwards question paper and start doing them, start solving them. Start solving them in a manner they are written, they are set, so that you get an idea what type of rhythm you need to be having and what type of format the GATE question paper has. And when you are solving the question paper, treat it just like a GATE exam, and there you can make potential mistakes, because this is the very important thing in your preparation. Because when you will solve that full question paper in a manner of like the way you give your final gate examination, like for example, give yourself 3 hours time and set in a way that you are giving a proper exam and just solve them, and you will find these questions are very important, they are very conceptual, and they will ultimately make your concept stronger, make you better prepared, as make they are making you familiar with the format. And also you can find that you are building confidence by solving this full question paper. And if you are, for example, if you are solving the full question paper now, just write over the questions what are the things that you are learning from that question, if it is a hard question, so that when you come to revise it, when you come to go through it, you can go through it in a quick way, in a efficient way. So my advice, if you can, then you should just download the question paper and print them out, and then just solve that printed question paper, and write over that printed page of the question paper over each question, over a question over an question which you find some to learn, which you find that you learned something from that question. Just write over them something, so the things that you learned, so that again, to when you come to revise that question paper, you find yourself revising or learning or remembering the things, important things, in a best possible manner. And you should join a test series and start giving them as soon as possible. So Unacademy again offers one of the quality and one of the best test series that you can find anywhere on the internet, and this test series will surely help you a lot then if you are not giving a test series. So just join a test series, and if you are going to join, then make sure to check out Unacademy's website. They are offering a very good quality test series, and again, they are offering all the other contents if you subscribe to them. So why you should join test series and start giving them as soon as possible? Because if you wait for end to give test series, for example December or January, then you will find that your revision load and your study load will be a lot, and you cannot give all the tests that are available in the test series, and ultimately you will miss out a lot that you can learn from the test. So you should join test series and start giving them as soon as possible, because test will make you learn new things, new concepts, make your concept stronger, make you they will in the mistakes you make in test series will ultimately be helpful, because it is better to make mistakes before gate examination and work on them than to make them during gate examination. And believe me, you will be making a lot of silly mistakes when you are preparing for gate examination or when you are giving test series, and this silly mistakes can only be avoided if you are familiar with the your test series, or if you are familiar giving test and if you are familiar with the competitive and current situations. And this test series, if you are joining, you will be getting all these benefits of making you more confident when you are giving the exam. And test series also make you understand, make you just see if the approach you are following to study is right or wrong. For example, it may be like that you are only study formulas, but when you are giving test series, you are finding it difficult to solve questions. Then work on your concepts, work on more theoretical things and study them, and make sure to also improve your speed when you are after you have given a test. Because test series, Unacademy, if you are joining, they will be offering you analysis of your performance, so you can easily analyze them and just learn from them, just improve your performance, improve your all the preparation that you are doing. You can just use it in an effective manner. And the mistakes you are making in your test, you should be learning from them, you should not be ignoring from them. And mistakes are very important, treat it like that these mistakes you are making, they are there to teach you new things, they are there to make your concept strong, because you will work on it and you will make your concepts more stronger. For example, if you are making a mistake in a particular subject, for example metal forming, if you are making a mistake while calculating the force of extrusion and force of wire drawing, then you can just work on it. You can see where you are making mistakes. If you are making mistakes in while calculating punch and punch diameter and die diameter, then just work on it. Just see what you can do to correct that mistakes. And this is the thing that you need to be have you need to have a mindset that the things that you are going to study, you are going to make mistakes in them. You need to just learn from them, don't ignore them. And the test series, by giving test series, you will get to know a lot of mistakes that you can potentially make uh, in calculations and in your concepts. So all these things that I am discussing are connected, and they are ultimately there to make sure that you are going to get a good gate score. And the last thing that I want to discuss here is that the eighth thing that you need to be doing first is to be calm and treat gate just as an exam. So you don't need to panic. Don't panic. Prepare gate just like it is an exam, just like any other exam you have been given. Don't treat it something like a very big thing which you should be panicking about, which you should be getting stressed about. Just be calm and study and treat gate just like an examination, because ultimately you will find that there are a lot of opportunities other than gate, but here you are giving your time, you are spending your time just like you are spending on time in any other thing. Here also you are spending time. Therefore it is better if you prepare in a best possible way, prepare in a way that you are happy with yourself. So prepare like that and just give the gate examination. Don't become panic. Be calm again, because if you are getting stressed, then there is nothing that you can do about it, because ultimately your performance and your preparation will this can just vary according to your day. Okay, so if you are having a bad day, for example if you are not scoring good marks in a certain test, then just take a break and just start your preparation after some time. Don't need to panic that you cannot score good marks. You can score good marks if your preparation is good. So make sure that you are preparing in a good way, and just treat it just like an examination. Don't become stressed. So that's it for today's class. This class was a little small class because of the content involved here. I wanted to just quickly go through this 8 things that you should be doing first. The main reason of discussing these things was that you should be to make you prepare in an effective and efficient way, and to make you more confident in your preparation and in your abilities. So just hit the like button if you found this topic helpful and engaging, and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. And I will be going live around 2 p.m. most of the days. Sometimes I can go live around 2:30 p.m. So but mainly 2 p.m. most of the days. And we will be again doing the classes, upcoming classes, where we will do important questions from the manufacturing subject. We will be going through a lot of good quality questions, where you can learn a lot of good things. So just remember to attend it. If you are attending the classes live, there I can answer your doubts. There we can discuss things that will help you in your gate preparation. You can discuss things of other subjects also, but mainly I will be focusing on manufacturing. And use this code ABHIMI to get 10% off. This ABHIMI is in all capital letters. Multiple students, multiple accounts can use this same code, so you can share it with them. And subscribe to Unacademy, start giving test series, choose a plan, or choose a plan which you need and which you can afford. Simple. And again, the code is listed here. You can save a lot. Don't forget to use it if you are subscribing to Unacademy's plans. Okay. So that's it for today's class. Thank you for watching. Take care, and so that's it for today's class.